Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video, and this is the first video of 2024. But before we get into things, I just want to say I hope everyone had a wonderful New Year and Christmas and got everything they want from for our Christmas. Now before we jump into the video, I just want to make a quick note that this video didn't turn out how I wanted it due to many reasons on the day, which was gun failures, the MP5 eating itself, the pistol eating itself, and a range of other stuff that just made the day just, yeah. So no thing on Humber side. Humber side's a great site. But yeah, we thought we'd start off the year with a brand new video where we started it, which were Humber side, where I started my channel, and I thought it would be right to start this year off at Humber side as well. Now this video is literally going to be both sides attacking and defending of the foobar. And yeah, also I'll be using the pistol to the best of its ability. But if you want to see how that performed, this is a perfect opportunity. And you also get to see something really funny. But, you know, let's get stuck into it, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
There's one on the corner. He's peeking now if you want to pop up and shoot him. Literally on the corner at Esco. Nice kill. There's another one. There's another one on the corner as well.
Guy close, tyres. Tyres on your left.
There's one on corner. One on corner still. One on corner still. It's not stock anymore, that's why. There's one in that Esco. Not one you can get in. Oh, you're right, dude. There's literally, if you pick your head up, there's one literally on the corner.
Right, close.
Yeah, literally first one here. The one that used to have roof on. Medic box is open! Go! Go! Go, medic boxes and go. Wait, where are they? I know. Are you at? One up far corner. Knife! I think round that sideways? Do you want to push round that sideways?
Yeah.
Suppress the corner wall. Someone needs to watch the corner down there. Hit, hit! As you peek round, you know the building with mesh on it is literally in there just watching this angle. Old school pump. Six, 10, 11, 13, 15, 18, 9, 20 back in, dude.
They're in the snipe tower.
Right. Yeah, I see him. Guys! Guys! Quick! There's literally, we just peek round his behind tyre wall. And there's two in sniper tower as well. I'll medic him. Oh, hit! Might as well go back and respawn, yeah. Their flag's down anyway! If anyone wants to have a pop at them, I'm having no look at this point. There's in sniper window and I don't know if anyone's in that small escort.
Yeah, he's on in the top bit.
Yeah.
He's not looking, he's not looking. He's just got down.
Do you want to keep us pressed? I'm going to push up. Oh yeah, they're shooting. Oh, no. Joe! Come here, Joe! Keep in. I need you to suppress while I push up. There's two in sniper window, there might be one in that little Hesco. So if you want to shoot while I push up,
I don't know the maps like.
just have a peek out. Top sniper window, there's that little rectangle window in there. Yeah?
Yep.
Just keep suppressing fire on there. Yeah? Are you guys coming?
I'll try.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, somebody hit me on the head, that's all. Alright. Centre tower. Let's just push in. I've only got a bumper. Bro, just go respawn. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20 back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 back in. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Are they in that garage still? One on corner? What's happening around that side?
I don't know, I've just checked. Careful the windows. There's people in the windows.
One window right, window right, window.
Go, move, move,
Go,
move,
go, go,
move,
go!
Move. Go, go, go! Go! Toss in centre, go! Go!
No, that one missed.
Go!
Hit in. Colby. Good throw, dude. Yeah. They're at centre tower on top floor. Just press that window for me, I'm going to move in. Ready? Ready? Hey, good shot. Medic! Sorry, dude. So one on corner. Oh, sorry. He's on corner at wall. Let's go touch flag. That way. That could have been fun. Just go. Just all go together. Just rush together. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. They're all dead. Rush them. Just go. Go, go, go. Oh, gotcha. Nice one, lads. Swap hands. Swap hands when you're peeking out less because you're exposing more of your body. There's one on tyre, one on tyre. He's still on that tyre wall. He's low. Hit. Tuck it, get back, straight back in. We've got unlimited respawns at this point. Where is he?
Just through the window on the right. You can't be on the big concrete thing. Still there. You'll see his barrel sticking out.
Oh, sorry. Are you dead? Corner. Oh, sorry, sorry. Hit, hit, hit. Dead man. Dead man.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was really fun to get back into things after having a couple of weeks off over Christmas and everything. The pistol, everything just went wrong. I mean, it was still usable. I had to use a little bit of the good old pump and shoot. But when I did get to use it, when it cycled properly, I was getting some very long one-ball headshots from quite a reasonable distance. So these upgrades have made a significant distance. Regarding the pistol, we have got a few more things coming for it, like a longer barrel. Obviously we need to replace the hammer spring now, and probably a few other bits and bobs. Now I know Waldo Customs dropping some new springs, so we might even drop the new springs into the Waldo into this. But yeah, check back in maybe a few weeks for the part 2 video, which is probably going to have the upgrades and a full complimentary breakdown of both indoors and outdoors and how it performs. But so far, amazing. But with all things aside, guys, if you did enjoy that video, please like, share and subscribe to this video. And as you know, my situation requires me to kind of be incognito, so if you do get to the end of the video and you want to support, you can support on TikTok by following, you can follow my YouTube, you can join Discord, all the links will be down below, and it'd be much appreciated. But yeah guys, I hope to see you in the field. Good hunting.